you know, giving. Hey guys, welcome back to Osagla. My name is Ruth. If you didn't know, and in today's video I'll be showing you my different favorite everyday go-to lip combos that I wear depending on my mood and how much time I have to get ready. So if you want to know how I achieve those bomb lip combos, please keep watching and enjoy the video. Alright guys, we're going to get into today's video. First, you want to make sure your lips are fully moisturized regardless of whether you have soft lips, dry lips, hard lips, cracked lips, I don't know. Guys, I'm joking, but yeah, you want to make sure your lips are fully moisturized. I'm going to go in with my liner. I use a brown liner because I don't want to have harsh lines. Now, your lip liner does not necessarily have to look like mine. You can go in with any brand. Any pencil really can work, but I highly recommend brown pencils because black is also not bad, but it's a bit harsh, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you line it until it's as dark as you want it to look. So after I'm done lining my lips with my brown liner, this is in the shade, let me see, I think the shade doesn't matter so long as it's not harsh on you. Yeah, so I'm going to use my fingers to smudge the liner. You can also do without smudging, but this is like my everyday go-to lip combo. So just before I do my first combo, I just want to let you guys know I am a gloss lover. Like, there is no way I would choose lipstick over gloss. Guys, long story short, I'll start with my favorite combo, the most recent. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Topaz. So that's what the Topaz looks like with liner under it, and usually I go in with a clear gloss to make it bomb, you know. So that's basically it. That's my clear combo. And one thing about Topaz gloss, it's sweet, it tastes like candy. So that's my first combo. Let me know what you think. It's just calm and, you know, giving. So my second combo is a little complicated, but it's also bomb. What I do is of course line my lips. So after you're done lining your lips, I go in with a nude lipstick. I use my hand for mixing this. So I just put a little of this nude lipstick. Guys, it doesn't have to be a big brand. I mean, anything can work. Then I go in with this. I'm running out, but this is a lip gel. Guys, I forgot to tell you this was my hack before I could afford colored gloss. So this is how it looks, guys. You don't have to put a lot of the nude lipstick because you're trying to avoid clowning. Yeah, so just put a little of it and smudge it together with the gloss. It can be a clear gloss or one with glitters. Guys, I love to pop. That's why I'm using the one with glitters. So that's basically it. So next we're going in with my favorite, guys. It's a Ugandan gloss by FABIOLA Beauty, and it's in the shade Gum. It's a plumping gloss. Meanwhile, you should know by now that I love to pop, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. My lips are already lined. and not smudged, because this gloss will cover up. So if you notice, the one we mixed in the previous combo was kind of similar to this. I highly recommend this gloss by Fabiola Beauty, and every page on Instagram that I got these items from will be linked down below in my description, so make sure to check them out and enjoy your shopping, guys. This gloss is everything if you're dark skin and looking for a pigmented gloss. So guys, last but not least is my clear combo. I literally use a pencil and the clear gloss, or sometimes I just wear the gloss itself without a pencil, especially when I'm in a rush. So I'll start by lining my lips. Guys, thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. If you like what's been going on in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment, share, and definitely if you have a better lip gloss combo, please let me know in the comment section, and I will be here to adhere to it and to serve you as I should. So if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and that's it for today's video. Mwah.